If you want to maintain your privacy while using Disney+, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device or visit the Disney Plus website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Look for the option labeled Account or Settings. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or online status. This may be labeled as Privacy, Profile, or similar. Step 4. Adjust online status. Once you locate the privacy settings, find the option that allows you to control your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and click it to ensure your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Disney+. Enjoy your viewing experience with added privacy.